Welcome to MarineMax at Somers Point. My name is Bill Herr, and today we're going to take a look at the Scout 275 Luxury Center Console. First thing you notice with this boat up in the bow is you have a lot of seating as well as a lot of storage. You have insulated fish boxes on port and starboard, as well as a box down here underneath. As you move forward in front of the center console here, you'll see you have a cooler that you can store your beverages or your food, whatever you're going to be using the boat for. Also up here in the bow, you can see you have headrests that are adjustable. These can go down out of the way, so whether you're going fishing in the morning, you got the family heading out for dinner at night, there's a lot of ways that you can use this boat. As we move forward, you notice how much room I have as I'm walking through. It's because you have the integrated rails that are integrated into the center console. It gives you a lot of room as you're moving through the boat, whether you're fishing or using it with your family. Down here, located in the center console, you have the day head. Step down into it in there. Up here at the helm, you'll notice I have dual seats that you can use independently of each other. So if I'm the captain and I want to sit as I'm running the boat, the person next to me can have that up and use it as the bolster, or vice versa. Garmin Electronics on this boat, 7612 version. As we continue to move back in the boat, rocket launchers on the back of the helm as well as up on the tower here. Storage under here for your tackle as well as your cutting board. And then also you have storage for your rods, port and starboard, and insulated fish boxes, port and starboard as well. Nice thing about this boat, you have a seat back here on the stern of the boat. This quickly and easily folds out of the way. Drops down. Now you have the option to board on either port or starboard, whatever your setup is at your dock. You also have your live wells, which you've got two of them here, so when you're not using one, you can use the other one for some fender storage. So as you can see, as we finish up here, this boat's perfect for taking your friends out fishing in the day, come back, clean the boat up, and you got plenty of room to take your family out to dinner at night. Again, thank you for going through the boat. My name is Bill Herr, and if you have any questions or you'd like to see the boat in person, please give us a call, 609-926-0600.